Let's look at revision of high school mathematics past exam papers. High school mathematics past exam papers. And today we are looking at probability. And we are looking at the following high school mathematics levels. Without wasting time, the teacher will rush to the selected question and demonstrate how this question is supposed to be answered. Let's move. The teacher will read. I will read the question. It says, in a Form 4 class with 36 students, the probability of picking a boy is 7/12. Right? Find the number of boys in the class. This is question number 21 of November 2020, paper 1. Now answer it. Supposed to be answered this way. This is 21. You number your question. We have question A, 21A. It says, find the number of boys in class. Right? Take note, the probability of picking a boy is 7/12. Right? This also simply means the fraction of the boys, or boys expressed as a fraction in the entire class, is 7/12. I hope this is clear. I'm saying boys, the number of boys expressed as a fraction is 7/12. So it's easy for us to find the number of boys in class. So we can answer it this way. You can safely say number of boys in class is equals to, we're going to multiply probability multiplied by the number of students in class, which will say 7/12 multiplied by number of students in that class, 36. Let's try and simplify. 12 into 1, 12 into 36, 3. So our final answer will be written as, what is 7 multiplied by 3? This will give us 21. So we can safely say the number of boys in class is equals to 21. So we have 21 boys in our class. We're done here. Let's move to the other part of our question, which is B part 1. B part 1, the question says, one student is selected at random from the class. Find the probability of selecting a girl. Right? This is two ways. The first one, which is very simple, you can safely say, expressed as a fraction, since the number of boys is 7/12, we can calculate very simple. All probabilities add up to 1. All probabilities in an event add up to 1. So we can safely say probability of getting a girl is equals to 1 subtract probability of getting a boy, right? Which is equals to 1 minus, what is the probability of getting a boy? 7/12. Which is what? 1 subtract 7/12, we get 5/12. Or you can simply say, since we have 21 boys, how many girls are there? We can safely say 36 minus 21, we get 15. So probability of getting a girl could be written as 15 over the total number of students in the class, which is 36. If this is reduced to its lowest term, we still get the same, 5/12. So we'll get same answers. You can answer it anyhow. Just choose the best method that works well for you. Let's proceed to the other part of the question, which is B part 2. What does the question say? It says, two students are selected at random from the class. Find the probability of selecting a boy and a girl. Take note, they have not told us order of selection. They've simply said a boy or a girl. This simply means in our choices, we can start by choosing a boy followed by a girl, or the first choice could be a girl followed by a boy. All these probabilities will be added, right? So the combinations that can come out of the two choices, let's say the first choice was a boy. followed by a girl. Let's calculate probabilities, right? What is the probability of picking a boy? How many boys are there? It's 21 over 36. Multiply by, take note, this is probability without replacement. If we chose a boy at first, it means the number of boys is dropped by 1 because of that one boy chosen. Boys were 21, so the boys will be 20 now. So the total will change from 36 to 35. And take note, the number of girls is still untouched. So the probability of picking a girl will be 15, since there are 15 girls. 15 over 35. If we simplify this, we'll get 1 over 4, right? Let's say our first choice was not a boy. A girl was chosen first, followed by a boy, right? Let's write associated probabilities. What is the probability of choosing a girl at first? It's 15 over 36. Multiply by, take note, if the first choice was a girl, it means the number of girls has dropped by 1. We are now left with 14 girls. So the total is no longer 36 but 35. And the number of boys is still untouched. So probability of picking a boy on our second choice, it will be 21 over 35. If this is simplified, we get 1 over 4, right? So basically, these are the combinations that will give us a boy and a girl. It's either we start by choosing, we'll choose a boy followed by a girl, or start by choosing a girl followed by a boy. So we can safely say, in answering, probability of picking a boy and a girl is equals to, we add our probability, right? Which is this one, 1 over 4, plus this one, 1 over 4. We get 2 over 4. 2 over 4 reduced as a fraction in its lowest terms is 1 over 2. This is the answer. This is fairly easy and simple. Can you follow the teacher's example and attempt the following questions? Thank you very much. Have a good day.